Welcome to our podcast, where we explore fascinating stories and ideas from various fields. In this episode, we discover, can math prove God's existence? Does God exist? For centuries, humans have tried to answer this question, but it remains a topic of debate between believers and non-believers. Now, a Harvard scientist has claimed that the answer is embedded in science and maths. He cites a mathematical formula that proves God is a reality. Dr. Willie Soon, an astrophysicist and aerospace engineer, speaking on the Tucker Carlson network, said that seeing how the conditions have a perfect balance and suited to life, it is highly unlikely that all of it merely occurred by chance. This is known as the fine-tuning argument. He said that the universe was intentionally created this way, and the prediction of antimatter in 1928 proves that this is true. The existence of antimatter and its proportion indicates that the universe was designed in a way to let life thrive. Soon said that when the Big Bang happened, it created both matter and antimatter. The latter exists in a lesser amount than matter, and this is what helped life come to be. Antimatter has the opposite charge of matter, and if both had been present in equal amounts, they would cancel each other out, Soon said. So the imbalance between them is seen as being deliberate. Soon pointed out to Cambridge professor Paul Dirac, who accidentally found antimatter long before it was scientifically confirmed in 1932. Dirac was trying to decode why some particles move faster than the speed of light. He combined Albert Einstein's famous ELMC equation with Schrödinger's equation from quantum mechanics. It did not work initially, but after he added an extra type of electron with negative energy, it seemed simple. Dirac knew at this point that what he was looking at was true. However, scientists didn't know what it was at the time, but almost 10 years later, cosmic rays in the upper atmosphere led to the discovery of antimatter. Alluding to the existence of God, Dirac in 1963 wrote that fundamental physical laws are described in terms of mathematical theory of great beauty and power, which need quite a high standard of mathematics for one to understand it. One could perhaps describe the situation by saying that God is a mathematician of a very high order, and he used very advanced mathematics in constructing the universe. Other scientists who have used the fine-tuned argument include Richard Swinburne and Robin Collins. They say that the state of existence of various elements in the universe proves that a higher power is at work. For example, gravity is just right, since if it was slightly weaker, galaxies, stars, and planets would not have formed. Meanwhile, a stronger gravity would lead the universe to collapse into a black hole. Similarly, the rate at which the universe expands is also baffling. The two scientists say it could have expanded too quickly or collapsed too soon, and in either case, life wouldn't have formed in the universe. Thanks for tuning into this incredible story. If this episode resonated with you, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for more captivating stories to come. Stay tuned.